Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to run check disk in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to run check disk in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on this PC, right click. After click on properties. Firstly this PC click on right click, click on properties. After click on tools and click on this option will check the driver for file system errors, so click on check. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to check disk in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.